Transform your love for LEGO into a revenue stream. No inventory needed, just pure passion and strategy. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert, your guide in the digital space. Stay with us to the end for insights that go beyond the build, crafting your success in ways you haven't imagined. Affiliate marketing thrives on sharing what you love, and LEGO, with its universal appeal and endless possibilities, is the perfect product to promote. By joining the LEGO Affiliate Program, you get the chance to showcase and share your favorite LEGO sets and themes while earning a commission on the sales you inspire. The first step is to sign up for the LEGO Affiliate Program, which is usually a simple online process. Once accepted, you'll get access to a variety of tools and resources, like unique tracking links, which are essential for ensuring you get credit for the sales you generate. These links can be used in blog posts, social media updates, or video descriptions, anywhere your audience is engaged. Your affiliate link is the key to earning commissions. It's unique to you and tracks every referral you make. So every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of that sale. It's important to use these links wisely. Make them visible but not intrusive, and always aim to provide value to your audience first and foremost. Creating a blog centered around LEGO can be a fantastic way to engage an audience. Here, you can go into detail about different LEGO sets, sharing reviews, building tips, and updates about upcoming releases. The advantage of a blog is that you have a platform to explore LEGO topics in depth, which can position you as a trusted resource in the LEGO community. Social media platforms are varied, and each one offers unique ways to share your affiliate links. On Instagram, you might share high-quality images of LEGO builds. On Facebook, you might post about LEGO news or sales, and on Twitter, you could engage in conversations about LEGO trends. Each platform has its own best practices for sharing affiliate links, and it's essential to follow these to maintain your account's integrity and your followers' trust. YouTube offers a rich visual medium for affiliate marketers. You can create content that might include time-lapse builds, reviews of new sets, or comparisons of different LEGO series. The pro of YouTube is that your content is evergreen. It can continue to attract views and generate affiliate sales long after you've published it. However, the con is that building a YouTube audience can be slow and requires consistent, high-quality content. LEGO provides marketing materials that you can use to promote products, such as banners and product images. These are designed to be eye-catching and are often updated with the latest sets and themes, which helps keep your promotions fresh and current. The downside is that these materials can be used by all affiliates, so it's still important to create unique content to stand out. In your content, aim to be engaging and informative, whether it's a blog post explaining the intricacies of a complex build or a social media post highlighting a new LEGO release. The more value you can provide, the more likely your audience will return to your content and consider making a purchase through your links. When incorporating your affiliate links, strategic placement is key. You want to make sure they are placed where interested buyers can easily find them, but not so prominently that they detract from the content itself. It's a delicate balance to maintain, as aggressive promotion can be off-putting to your audience. Authenticity in your promotion will foster trust with your audience. When you share your true experiences with LEGO sets, people are more likely to take your recommendations seriously. This trust is essential for conversion, but takes time to build. In contrast, disingenuous promotion can quickly erode your credibility. Using analytics to track your affiliate link performance is crucial. It lets you see what content is driving clicks and sales, which can inform your future content strategy. The downside is that it can be data-heavy and requires some knowledge to interpret correctly. However, this feedback is invaluable for honing your marketing strategy. Experimenting with different marketing techniques is crucial for finding what resonates with your audience. This could mean trying out different types of content, from in-depth tutorials to quick tips, or varying the way you share affiliate links, such as through direct links or QR codes. LEGO is always releasing new products, so staying informed is vital. This allows you to be timely in your content creation, such as preparing for the launch of a highly anticipated set. However, it also means you need to dedicate time to keep up with LEGO news and updates. Captivated by our stories? Extend your stay in our world. Click subscribe, signal your enjoyment with a like, and ring the bell to open the gate to more captivating tales. Ready for the next story? Let's turn the page. Affiliate marketing with Lego isn't a path to quick riches, but rather a journey of sharing your passion and building a community. It's about long-term relationships and engagement. Your consistency and dedication can gradually transform your passion for Lego into a profitable venture. Engaging with your audience is more than just responding to comments. It's about creating a community around a shared passion for Lego. Hosting live build sessions, Q&A streams, or participating in community challenges can deepen connections and encourage more interactions with your content and affiliate links. Limiting yourself to one platform can restrict your potential. By diversifying your presence across multiple channels, you can reach different segments of the Lego-loving community, increasing the potential for affiliate sales. Transparency with your audience is non-negotiable. Clearly disclosing your affiliate status not only complies with legal requirements, but also fosters trust with your audience, showing that you value honesty over making a quick sale. Understanding your audience is like having the instruction manual to a complex Lego set. It guides you to create content that meets their needs and interests, increasing the likelihood of engagement and clicks on your affiliate links. Employing SEO techniques can significantly increase your online visibility, drawing more potential customers to your content. This might mean optimizing your blog posts for search engines or using the right hashtags on social media. Keeping an eye on your competitors helps you stay competitive in the affiliate space. It can inspire new content ideas, marketing strategies, and ways to differentiate yourself. Participating in Lego events and conventions can offer new insights, content ideas, and the chance to network with other Lego enthusiasts and marketers. It's about being part of the Lego community, not just selling to it. Remember that your ultimate goal is to add value to your audience's experience with Lego. Whether through detailed reviews, creative builds, or providing the latest news on Lego releases, always focus on enriching the Lego experience for your followers. Adding to this, leveraging the power of storytelling can transform your affiliate efforts. By sharing your personal Lego journey, the challenges you've faced, and the accomplishments you've achieved, you create a narrative that resonates with others and brings your affiliate links to life. Moreover, consider the power of exclusivity. Offering special deals or early access to your followers through your affiliate links can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, encouraging more immediate and frequent purchases. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of feedback from your community. Encourage your followers to share their Lego stories and how your content has influenced their Lego adventures. This feedback not only fosters community, but also provides you with authentic testimonials that can be incredibly persuasive to potential buyers. In the vibrant, creative world of Lego affiliate marketing, you're more than just a promoter. You're a vital part of a community that celebrates creativity, imagination, and the joy of building. So, let's snap those bricks together and build something amazing. Step into the epicenter of online business innovation. Grab your free ebook now and tap into today's most impactful strategies for digital success. But the path doesn't end at the last page. What follows is a meticulously designed 15-day challenge, a true test of your entrepreneurial spirit. Guided by the acumen of digital experts, empowered by actionable tactics, and equipped with a sophisticated toolkit, you're on the brink of online mastery. Are you ready to rise to the occasion? Take a bold step. Click the link in the description with purpose and embark on the journey to craft your digital destiny. Clocking out from today's e-earning workshop, tested the method, seamless operation, or some assembly required? Detail your experience in the comments. Did today's financial toolkit help you construct a solid profit plan? Hit like to hammer in your support. Want to blueprint more online earning structures? Subscribe and hit the bell, ensuring you're equipped for every build. Before you put away your tools, spot that video in the toolbox. It's a guide to another sturdy income-generating structure. Click, and let's keep building your financial framework. Until our next project,